Yep. Hey gang, Brett here. Just got this brand new camera. Wasn't expensive, it was cheap and old, but so am I. So I thought I'd test it out. This is the actual first ever time I've recorded anything on it. Thought I'd do some show and tell. Show and tell. And I can see my face while I'm doing this. And it even says REC, says recording. My show and tell. Hey, we do a bit of gardening, and everything's getting dry because of El Nino and just the world's screwed, you know. So I got these 200 litre drums. I think it's 44 gallon. And I got two of them and I weld them together. See? Can you see that? And so 200 plus 200 equals 400. That's 400 litres. So it comes off my roof with this bad boy. No, I didn't build an overflow. This is just a test, you know. Didn't build an overflow for excess rainwater to come out, and I didn't want it to fill up there. So I just have it ajar right here, so any excess can come down. Haven't had a problem yet. And then that, you know what? I'm just going to point it. That flows into this, which is the most expensive part of the build. It's like 20 bucks just for that. These are $5 each. 5, 10, free sometimes. So excuse the mess. My place is usually a little bit more tidier than this. Any hoops. Of course, in the middle, by the way, this is silicone. I didn't need to put that on. I just had an emptying silicone thing. Like, what am I going to do with this silicone? So I just put it there just in case. It doesn't leak even without the silicone, but it does get rusty. And in fact, when it's just rained and the water comes out, you can see the rust. So it won't last forever. That's okay. You can tell that it's just about empty. In fact, water won't even come out because it's so empty. What we often do is fill up this gross looking thing and then dip the watering cans in so we don't have to stand there with the hose waiting for it to fill up. What was I saying? Something. Obviously, I'd had to cut a hole in the top of the bottom one and in the bottom of the top one so that water can go through and fill up the whole thing. Anyway, I just thought that was a good thing to do. Don't waste the... What am I trying to say? Reuse something that would have otherwise been thrown out. So hopefully my new camera works well, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't know how to turn it off. Oh hey, it's me, I'm back. A couple of things I forgot to mention in the excitement of the first half of this video. First of all, in here I got a mesh to stop leaves and mosquitoes going in. See? That's pretty clever. I said that this was the most expensive part of the build. It's also the crappiest because it does leak, and I'm not going to do it this way again. This will go into a pipe, a standard hose fitting, but as you can see I've just sticked it on with a cable tie. Sticked it, yep. Have a look at this. We got rain yesterday and it's actually full. So it fills up to there. Another thing, before people say anything, yes, this is the world's dodgiest base. It has been sitting there for a year. Made this a year ago. And I will remove it. It's temporary. It's all part of an experiment. And I'm building more. So I'll make a video about how to build them. See you later again. I'm gonna let you finish, Just one more thing, check this out. Because it has like 2 liters of pressure behind it. I don't know, I just thought that was neat. Oil, I'm rich.